god! Oh my god!
Right, how are we going to get that up then? I can see what we got in the car. The ducks' chicks are down the drain.
Hello. Got anything we can scoop them out with?
Yeah, hands.
One. Oh, go find your mummy.
A bit more torchlight.
Oh.
You don't mind me getting my hands wet, do you?
There's two more. Oh my god, we're gonna kill him. Go find your mummy. Go find your mummy. Come on.
Have a bit of torchlight here.
Oh my god. Your mummy's down there.
Is that them all? Can you go down that pipe?
You grab hold of it. One's just running into the road. What are we going to do with
I don't know if it's them making a noise or is it another one down that pipe.
There's one more down there.
You can hear it, can you?
Yeah.
Where's your mother gone?
One's just run under our car. Got an exhibit bag. Dave and I have just become parents.
Oh, there it is. Right, any more of you in there? I can still hear one. God, it's stinking. Where's mother gone?
We've lost one under our car. Can't find him.
I'm sure there's another one. Gonna appear down there in a minute. Can you hear it?